Now, this is yet again an India Today exclusive. Even as the operation is underway in Pulwama, one terrorist has been killed. He's been identified as well in the Pulwama encounter. Also getting these visuals, which are not live visuals, but of earlier stages of operation. The one Lashkar militant who's been killed has been identified as Jahangir Ahmed Ghani from Koil, Pulwama, who was neutralized by the security forces. There could be two other who could be present. Right now, cops are hoping that one terrorist will surrender. His family has been called to persuade. Shafi Sher Gojri is how it's been identified to make him surrender. The siege continues in Padgampora as we speak. This is India Today exclusive visuals that you're seeing of the early stage of the operation. Once again, not the live visuals that we are showing at the moment. Ashraf, my colleague, joining us. So Ashraf, can you take us through for how many hours the gunfight has been on? How many terrorists still believed to be holed up inside the building?
Divna, basically this encounter is on since midnight of the midnight last night, and probably now it is the 6th hour of the encounter still going on in Padgampora in Auntypora area of Pulwama district. But what we are sharing with our viewers is that now it is confirmed that one local Lashkar militant has been killed. He has been identified as Jahangir Ahmed, a local militant. Another one, or maybe two, there is the suspicious probably one or two are still holed up, who are continuously firing on the security forces. There was some kind of attempt by the security forces to pursue one of the locals by his family to surrender, but so far he has rejected the offer of surrender and is not ready to surrender with security forces. Still efforts are on to get another local surrendered, but so far he has not decided to do so. And meanwhile, the train service between Banihal and Srinagar has been suspended because the railway track is passing through this encounter site, and that is why, for the safety of the passengers of the train service between Banihal and Srinagar has been so far put on halt and suspended. But so far the encounter is still going on, and 1 to 2 more militants are still believed holed up in the house who are fighting on the security forces.
All right, Ashraf, thanks for joining in. Up to two terrorists could be holed up inside the building as the gunfight continues between the security forces. One Lashkar militant has been killed, identified as Jahangir Ahmed Ghani so far. These are the visuals that we're getting from the spot of the earlier stages of operation. Once again, not the live visuals that we're showing you from Pulwama because of security concerns as well. Continue tracking the story. It's an India Today exclusive that you're looking at with all the details coming up from the ground with our team. And Ashraf, who's just said that a joint operation that's been launched, there are now efforts on to persuade the terrorists should surrender.